Hey guys, Nikolai here from Build with Nick, and we are doing the episode 16 of our key handover series. We are in a beautiful suburb of Kelmscott, which is 30 minutes away from Perth CBD, 5 minutes away from Armadale area. We have the Kelmscott Senior High School, which is 1 minute drive away from this property and about 5 minutes drive from Kelmscott train station. This is close as well within the Armadale Hospital. The good thing about the location of this property is it is along Albany Highway, which is a lot of amenities, a lot of store and restaurant you can go to within just a walking distance. A bit of information with the land area. It is 530 square meters. It is a battle axe or a rear block, which means the house is located at the back of another house. The block configuration, it is 19 by 22, and the house area or the total house area is 230 square meters. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and 1 home theater, and it has a massive backyard. So let's go inside. Alright, so let's go inside the house. But as you can see, this property is quite similar with my property. You know, it's a rear block, it's a battle axe, which means the good thing about a rear block or battle axe, like I said, is you have choices where you want to put your kitchen, your bedroom 2, bedroom 3, bedroom 4. Unlike with the traditional block, which means you either have one choices whether to put your common area at the front or put it at the back. But when you go inside the house, it is quiet, spacious, or very spacious. So we have here, you don't have I would say a walk-in when you enter the house, because as you can see, it's very spacious. When you enter the house, you are inside the living area right away. Your common area. You know, without further ado, like I said, this is your common area. You have your dining area over here. You have your kitchen, quiet, spacious kitchen. So with the kitchen, we have an L shape. As you can see, there's not much walls, which means this one is very open. Alright, so we have a kitchen L shape. We have a lot of drawers over here, and we have some windows outside. We have your usual range hood, gas stove, oven, and a few more drawers. In the future, you can definitely add more cupboards if you want to. As you can see, there's a lot of spaces you can put on. This will be the fridge area. We're gonna put your fridge, and we have a single pantry over here. Alright, so that is the kitchen. We have the laundry. So right after the kitchen, we have a good amount size of laundry. You can put your another cabinet maybe over here. You got your laundry sink, and of course you can put your washing machine and then a dryer maybe. And of course you have a wardrobe for your bed linen and other stuff that you want to put in. That is pretty much your laundry area. Let's go over here. So like I said, very spacious. That's the good thing about having a battle axe or a rear block, because you can really maximize the area of the house by removing a lot of walls. So that's pretty much a wide open house. Alright, so the common area is right in front of the entrance of the house. The bedrooms and the home theater is on the right hand side of the house. So we have the home theater here. Good amount of size of home theater. It is pretty much, I will say, around 3.5 by 3. The good thing about this is you can see what's happening outside. So we have a bit of a large window with a blind, a Venetian blinds, which is quite nice. Alright, okay, so the next one will be, of course, it is carpeted with a home theater and other bedrooms, and we have a very spacious hallway. I will say this is approximately 1.5, very spacious as you can see. I mean, yeah, that's around 1.3 to 1.5. We have the bedroom number 2 over here. Good amount of size again. It is carpeted and we have a sliding wardrobe over here with a mirror as usual. Alright. With the bedroom number 3, with the bedroom number 2, you can see the alfresco, which is quite nice as well. You can see what's going on outside. Alright, so when we walk into the hallway, we have your master bedroom. Now, with the master bedroom, this one is approximately 4.5 by 3, and we have a very large walk-in closet. I mean, the walk-in closet, this one can be like a mini room or a mini office already. As you can see, you have a very spacious walk-in closet. Beside the walk-in closet, we have your ensuite toilet and bath. It is quite spacious as well. We have a single sink, a lot of space you can put in your stuff. You have your toilet and you have your shower, single shower with a touch of black framing and a black shower. Very good choice. It really complements well with the tiles and with the carpet that they have chosen. Alright, that is your master bedroom. Now we're gonna go ahead to bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4. With the flooring, they have chosen the vinyl flooring. So we have here your bedroom number 3, similar size with bedroom number 2, and we have a wardrobe as well. So this one is a bit more smaller than the usual wardrobe. Alright, let's go to bedroom number 4. Alright, so we have the bedroom number 4 over here. Alright, cool. So with the bedroom number 4, this is approximately 3 by 3.5, and we have a bit more bigger sliding wardrobe compared to bedroom number 3. And of course, we have your usual window that you can see outside the house. Alright, so all of the bedrooms are carpeted, and I believe the client might have chosen the thicker carpet, as you can see. Okay, so we have your common toilet and common bathroom. Alright, so you have your single shower over here with a touch of black framing, and I really like the tiles that they have chosen. Really complements well with the overall design. And of course, you have your bathtub and the sink on this right hand side. Alright, this is the alfresco area. Like I said in the start of the video, the land area is 530 square meters, which means the backyard or the alfresco, they're quite very massive. I mean, you can even put a small basketball court over here if you like. But with the alfresco, this one is approximately 7 meters length and approximately 3.5 width. So very spacious. You can put a table over here if you want to. And yeah, with this one, you have a lot more space with your backyard or alfresco. So I do believe the client has future plans to develop to remove all of these grasses, to put a fake plants or to put a decking or whatnot. But I can see a good opportunity to redesign the alfresco, the backyard area. A lot more space that you can think of. You can put a storage room on this left hand side if you want to. Yeah, that's a good thing of having a huge block. Normally you can get a huge block with a rear block compared to a front block, and there can be a bit more cheaper than the front block if you want to. Alright, before we finish, let's proceed to the garage and we'll wrap the episode soon. Okay, so this is the garage. Forgot to mention this one a while ago, but this is your garage. with the garage. This is 28 core ceiling. And you can fit into more garage, and you have a bit of a storage area or workshop area where you can put your stuff. Alright, so that is the garage. I'm going to show you a video later on. But yeah, that's pretty much it with our episode 16 of our key handover series, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, look at this house, very spacious, a lot of bedrooms. You got 4 bedrooms, and you got 1 home theater and a massive backyard or al fresco area. And the good thing about this is, you know, the space. That's a good thing when you're buying a rear block or a battle axe block, because you can really maximize the land area. But of course, there are disadvantages and advantages, and if you guys want to know what are the disadvantages and advantages of buying a rear block, let me know, and I'm more than happy to make another video regarding about that topic. But apart from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment below if you have any question or you want me to do another video of a certain topic. And the most important thing, subscribe to my channel. I know that you guys haven't subscribed to my channel. I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, and it will help my YouTube algorithm to promote this video to other people as well. And if you know anyone who is planning to build a house or inquiring on how to get a house, feel free to email me at nick@newhomeswa.com.au. I will put that on the comment box below. Apart from that, thank you once again, and I will see you on our next video. Bye!